Oh my god, this looks a little scary. I'm definitely gonna be doing it again.
Hello guys, so you know how my mom recently came to Korea to keep me company? Well, she also came for one other very special reason. She wanted to try this skin treatment that you cannot get anywhere in Europe. And that is goddess injection. I mean, even the name sounds so cool, right? Not gonna lie, I was terrified at first, like injections all over your face? But luckily, the numbing cream was so strong, there was literally no pain at all. Okay, fun fact, this treatment is made with umbilical cord stem cells. Yeah, actual stem cells. Of course, collected ethically right after childbirth. So don't worry, it's all safe and science-backed.
Is it already happening?
Yeah.
Because I don't feel anything. Oh, this is amazing.
So well, of course, my mom and I both had to try it. It can repair, brighten, and totally rejuvenate our skin from the inside out. It boosts collagen, hydration, and makes our skin smoother, firmer, like that Korean glass skin. However, our faces did have little bumps from the injections for a few more hours, but hey, we're in Korea, so many people walk around like this. Also, it has minimal downtime, so we were able to put on makeup the very next day because we had no time to waste. Well, of course, mom deserved some special treatment, so she got one more thing done, but I'm gonna let you know the secret to her glow up next time. So, within 2 weeks, we'll start seeing improvements in our skin texture, firmness, and overall health. But while we wait, check out everything else we did during the trip. We definitely made the most out of our time here exploring, eating, and just enjoying the time together. Oh, can't wait to see the glow up to our skin, but honestly, it's all about making memories too. So if you want to get skin treatments in Korea but don't know who to contact or unsure what exactly to get or need a translator, check out Amoa 640 Skin Clinic. They'll take such good care of you from start to finish.